Hey, yesterday you made a little comparison of these two guns. Miniature version of that, basically. And we would be showing you which one hurts more on these two lucky gals. First, we'd be doing semi for both of them, but really semi on this uses a spring. So, maybe you should see this one. Which one?
Mini.
Which one?
Mini.
Now we were doing full auto. Which one?
Mini one.
Which one?
Mini.
Which one?
Mini.
Still the mini? So overall, basically the miniature one's kind of better because this one takes AA batteries for fully automatic. And now when you have to charge it, the battery goes in the clip, but we dropped it a lot, so the clip kind of broke. But they're both pretty nice guns. I choose this one because it's just so much tinier and, well, it's like cooler, clear and stuff. And this one, the bullets go in the scope. And I'd say maybe they hold the equivalent. And we had to put the scope on backwards because they wouldn't feed right unless you did. And I think in the price range that was cheaper too. So if I had to go with one, I'd probably go with that one. So we'll probably have an airsoft war with these things today. So keep in touch. Thank you. And goodbye!